My question to you is, which one do you prefer? Do you want to optimize for the lowest interest rate, or do you want to optimize for the lowest cost of credit? On the left hand side, when you add all the interest, it gives you a number that is the cost of credit, 293,000 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, this couple that implemented what I showed them ended up paying 196,000 at a slightly higher rate. I want you to think about that and decide which thing you want to optimize for, because this is crucial for your well-being of your mortgage. Now, the next steps is very simple. Number one, I want you to go into that link there or scan the QR code and calculate your cost of credit. It's very simple. It's going to take you less than 1 minute and you will know in your mortgage what is the cost of credit. Number two, apply to see if you qualify. This strategy is not for everyone. You need to have some equity in the property. A lot of time you have to have 20% equity in the property. And the application, it doesn't take 30 minutes like it says there. It takes about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll send you a proposal for evaluation. The proposal is going to take us 1 to 3 days, and then you can decide if you want to move forward. And then there's a fee that we're going to charge you for implementing the proposal and implementing the plan with your financials, and we'll have the implementation, which is going to take 30 days. We'll have all the numbers there so you can have an informed decision. The link there, mortgageslab.ca/cost of credit, is where you calculate your cost of credit, and you can also scan the QR code to get started. Camilo Rodriguez, CEO of Mortgages Lab. See you very soon.